So here's how to sell Temu products on TikTok Shop. Before starting, go ahead and click on my link down in the description in order to get a $100 free coupon on Temu for new users. So once you sign up with my link, you will get to see a similar interface like this. You can also get the mobile app by clicking on the icon Get the Temu app on the top right. Now, from this page, let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom. Under Company Info, you will get to see Affiliate and Influencer Earn Commission. Click on it. Then, you will be redirected to this page over here. Once you're here, you will get to see the commission that you can get. You can click on Details over here to learn more. On this page, you will get to see all the exclusive benefits that you will get, as well as the commission rate. After that, as you can see, you will get an 18 RM bonus if someone downloads the Temu app from your link. You can also check out more details about this as well. Then, you can earn extra 3% commission for existing customers who download the app. You can see the withdrawal options by clicking on Withdraw. Then, on the left panel, you can see all of these sections like Influencer, Hot Items, and Data Center. Plus, click on Influencer. You can see all the benefits that you will get. Then, if you select Hot Items, you will see all the items that are trending on Temu. Scroll through this page to check out the different products. You can also select different categories from the top here. Also, you can select Exclusive Deal, Free Gift, and Direct from Brand. For now, let's go ahead and select a certain product from the bottom. And as you can see, this product has an exclusive deal with 93% off. You can see the price of the product and the commission that you will receive from each sale. So click on the product. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. You can see the product title and variants on the right and the product images on the left. And right under the product title, you will get to see the price and also the discount being offered by Temu. Right below it, you can see the color and variants of the product. You can select a quantity for order if you want to order for yourself. So, check out the images on the left, and if you scroll down, you will get to see the reviews of the product. And scrolling down further, you will get to see additional product details. Now, let's open up TikTok on another page. Once you're here, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. So click on Upload from the options. Now, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. And on the middle, you can click on Select Video to upload your video. So here on the left, if you click on Posts, you will be able to see all your available posts on TikTok. But since it's a new account, our post section is empty. If you have postings, they will be visible over here. You also have Analytics right under Posts. This is the page from where you will get to see detailed analytics about your video or post. You can see video views, profile views, likes, comments, shares, and more, such as your traffic source, search queries, etc. Then you have comments. This is where you can view all your comments on your TikTok. You can also search for a certain comment by using the search bar. You can also go over to Inspirations in order to get inspirations for your content that you promote on TikTok. You can see Trending, Recommended, and My Inspirations. So go ahead and check out these content in order to figure out what is trending and what is not. That way, you can tailor your content to make it appealing to the users, which will help you attract customers for your product. Now, from the left panel, let's click on Upload on the top. Then, just wait for it to load up. Sometimes it may take a little while, and if it's taking too long, check your internet connection or refresh the page. And as you can see, we're now in the upload section. Now go back to the Temu web page and select an image that you want to publish on TikTok. Let's go ahead and save this one. This way, you can save multiple images of your desired product. And once the images are downloaded, you can click on See More in order to get more images for your product. Since we'll be posting on TikTok, you will need to get as many images as you can. So scroll through the images and download whichever one that looks good. Then, you can attach the videos in your editor and turn it into a video. Now go over to TikTok, then open up your folder on your computer where the images are saved. Then just drag and drop it onto TikTok, and as you can see, it is now being uploaded. For this video, I'm just uploading a picture, which you can attach all the pictures together and turn it into a video, then upload it onto TikTok. Now for the description, let's head over to the Temu webpage. And once you're here in the product page, you need to scroll up to the top. After that, copy the relevant information about your product. I will select this section and copy it. Then go over to TikTok and paste it on the description. Now, add some more details about the product right here. You can add discounts or even the product materials or functions. Put in as much information as you can. This will help your viewers understand more about your product and be able to make their decision if they want to purchase. Now for the product link, go over to this page on Temu. From here, click on Share on the product. After that, copy the item link over here, or you can also click on Copy right below it. Then, go back to the TikTok studio and paste the URL right here. So once you're done with this step, go ahead and check out the video on the right. Then, you can also add additional information like hashtags by clicking on this option. You can also click on Mention if you want to mention someone on your post. So this way, go ahead and mention any relevant companies or people that you want to tag on this post. Once you're done, you can go ahead and move on to the location section. Here, put in your relevant location where you want to sell. You can also set a different cover from your video by choosing from this option. Once done, just click on Confirm. After that, scroll down and go to Settings. Here, you can select Now or Schedule your post. Then, on the Who Can Watch This Video section, select Everyone. Then allow users to comment, view it, or stitch. You can enable these or disable according to your preference. After that, you have some more options to customize. Then, on the bottom, you will get to see this check section. Now, click on Post. After that, this post will be posted on TikTok. And as you can see, it is now under review. But once the review is done, your video will be posted. Make sure that the privacy is set to everyone. Then once done, open up your video and watch it to make sure everything is perfect. This way, you can easily post products from Temu on TikTok. Sometimes it may take a little while for TikTok to show your products to potential customers, but after a couple of days, it will be displayed to potential customers. And following these steps, you can easily sell Temu products on TikTok Shop.